Hello guys, how are you doing? In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete a YouTube channel permanently on your phone. So for you to do this, it's very simple guys. Come to your profile right here. So once you come to your profile, so over here, go to where you have accounts. Can you see accounts right here? So once you click on accounts, so right here, you get to search for the channel you want to delete. So right here, I'll come to where we have Funny TV Mister. I'll be deleting this channel just for an experiment. It's a pity I'll be losing 10 subscribers. That's not an easy thing to get on YouTube. So I'll be sacrificing these 10 subscribers just to show you guys how to delete a YouTube channel. So once you're right here, come over to your account section by clicking on account again. Once you click on that, so you can see Funny TV Mister 10 subscribers. So come to where you have manage your Google account down here. So once you click on manage your Google account, then you wait for this to load for you. So once this loads for you, scroll down till you find data and privacy. So click on data and privacy right here. Once you click on that, then come over to where you have remove data from services that you no longer use. This right here. So just click on that. Once you click on that, then this load up for you. So right here, they ask you to put in your password just to confirm that truly you are the owner of this account you are trying to delete. So you can see they say download your data. That's the first thing. Then we have YouTube, 26 videos uploaded, and we have the delete button in front. So just click on the delete button. So once you delete this, every content on your channel will be deleted. So you can see they said you should choose either you want to hide your channel or you want to permanently delete your content and also your channel. So that's the number 2. So you can see this is the channel name right here, Funny TV Mister. So click on the number 2. Once you click on that, then ensure you go through all this, read it carefully to be sure that truly you want to lose all these things. You lose your videos, all the 26 videos I've uploaded, I'll lose everything. All the channels I've subscribed to, I'll lose everything. All the subscribers I have, all the comments, all the replies, thumbs up on comments, everything. So once you're sure you are ready to lose all these things and truly you want to delete your channel, just check this also, then proceed and click on delete my content right here. Once you click on that, then they ask you to put in your email address again to confirm you really want to delete this channel. So click on delete my content right here, and once you click on that, you can see your content is being deleted. So just after some seconds or a minute plus, if you come back here, you realize that your channel has been deleted from YouTube. So you can see your channel has been deleted. So let's just go back to our channel and see if it has been deleted or is still showing. So let's wait for this. Let's go back. So as you can see, the channel is no longer on my channel. It has been deleted, guys. So if I click on account right here, can you see Funny TV Mister is no longer showing? Can you see that it is no longer showing? So I just deleted my YouTube channel. So if you wish to delete yours, just follow the step-by-step process and you get to delete your YouTube channel. So I believe you got value, guys. If you did, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.